this video I'm going to install this key lock box. This is a very simple job to do, and really you only need 4 screws to fix this to the wall. These are made from zinc and are heavy duty. These are ideal if you need to put a key in there for somebody else to access a property. These are quite common with people who have carers, etc. I would just like to point out that they're not the most secure thing in the world, and I would imagine that it is very easy to defeat it and get the key out of there. I would also imagine that it's easy to prise one of these from the wall, especially if it's fixed into wood or into brick, etc. For that reason, I would highly recommend that you put this somewhere where it can be viewed on a camera, and I would also highly recommend a fully working burglar alarm. So once it's fixed to the wall, you simply flip that part down. The default number on this is 4 zeros. You then pull that lever down and it will spring open. When you want to change the number, you simply push that lever there and slide it up. Change the number on the front there to the number you want. We're just going to make this easy and we'll change it to 9999. Obviously you never want to use a number that's so easy to guess. And then you put the lever back down. You can then close that up. You can then scramble the numbers and you'll see that the lever will no longer push down. So if we line up all the 9s again, we can then press down on the lever and unlock it again. So on this particular model, it is incredibly easy to change the number. These are the screws that are supplied with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill a 6mm hole into the brick, and then I'm going to use a red wall plug like that, and that should give us a really tight fix. So the first thing we need to do is locate it somewhere suitable, and as stated previously, I'm going to put it somewhere where a camera can at least see you. Unfortunately we can't get a 6mm drill bit through there, so I'm going to put this on the wall. I'm going to get it level and then I'm going to mark it. And we're just going to put it around there. That'll give us 2 fixings in the brick and 2 in the mortar. Normally when I'm starting a hole, I will turn off the hammer action until I get the hole started, and then I'll switch the hammer action on. It can be difficult getting the holes started, especially on bricks that aren't smooth. So you may just have to adjust the drill up and down slightly until you get it in the exact correct position. We've then got a drill driver with a good fitting bit, and we can then put that on there. We can screw that to the wall securely. And it's always a good idea to do the final tightening by hand. You can then feel how tight the screws are. So that's how to fit a lock box. It quite literally does take 5 minutes.